United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 254, Rights of Neighbouring Landlocked and Geographically Disadvantaged States. 1. States and competent international organizations, which have submitted to a coastal state a project to undertake marine scientific research referred to in Article 246, Paragraph 3, shall give notice to the neighbouring landlocked and geographically disadvantaged states of the proposed research project, and shall notify the coastal state thereof. 2. After the consent has been given for the proposed marine scientific research project by the coastal state concerned, in accordance with Article 246 and other relevant provisions of this convention, states and competent international organizations undertaking such a project shall provide to the neighboring landlocked and geographically disadvantaged states, at their request and when appropriate, relevant information as specified in Article 248 and Article 249, Paragraph 1f. 3. The neighboring landlocked and geographically disadvantaged states referred to above shall, at their request, be given the opportunity to participate, whenever feasible, in the proposed marine scientific research project through qualified experts appointed by them and not objected to by the coastal state, in accordance with the conditions agreed for the project, in conformity with the provisions of this convention, between the coastal state concerned and the state, or competent international organizations, conducting the marine scientific research. 4. States and competent international organizations referred to in paragraph 1 shall provide to the above-mentioned landlocked and geographically disadvantaged states, at their request, the information and assistance specified in Article 249, paragraph 1d, subject to the provisions of Article 249, paragraph 2.